Hello, ACE applicants. Welcome to our 2021 virtual information session. I'm Mara. I'm the ACE program coordinator. I'm excited you're interested in getting involved in our ACE program this year. In this virtual information session, I will be covering the basics about our program as well as the beginnings of how to start your application. Let's get it started. ACE stands for Apprenticeships in Science and Engineering. The program's mission is to provide students with a meaningful career experience before college. We believe that the professional setting offers so much more to a student than regular classroom work can alone, like personal growth and how to operate in a professional setting. Most of our students come out of our program with a better idea of what it means to be a professional and go on to college with a better understanding of what they want to major in, oftentimes in a field that their internship was in. Here is a breakdown of disciplines of positions that ACE offers in a given year. You can see quite a variety of fields: architecture, biology, business and entrepreneurship, chemistry, computer science and technology, earth science, engineering, environmental science, material science, medical science, and physics. It's good to start thinking of your interests and passions as well as what you will exceed in. What do interns do? It depends on the position. Some interns contribute to one project during their whole 8 weeks. Others contribute to many smaller projects during their 8 weeks. For 2021, we've encouraged our mentors to plan for remote work with some in-person elements if possible. Given the COVID-19 circumstances, we want everyone to have a safe and healthy summer. Who is eligible? So current 9th to 11th graders are eligible to apply to the ACE program. You should probably be interested in STEM fields, and having strong grades in math and science will help you through the application process. The internship is 296 hours between June and the end of August. It is the equivalent of working a normal work week 8 weeks during the summer. Depending on when you get out of school, you may have a start date of June 14th or 21st in 2021. You should be completely finished by August 20th. You'll work with your mentor to set your exact schedule, but for the most part, interns work Monday through Friday during standard working hours. That's going to be 9 to 5. Students are required to provide their own transportation and lodging during the summer. And I mention this because we have some internships all the way down south in Eugene and as far north as Vancouver. So it's important to pay attention to the location of the internship when you are completing your application. ACE provides a lot of support to you because it can be intimidating to be thrown into a professional environment. We provide free professional development workshops for writing your cover letters, which is part of the application process. The ACE staff, like me, is always available throughout the summer to answer your questions. We hire teachers during the summer to help on site during your internship. They'll conduct 2 site visits, either virtual or in person, depending on the circumstances. One in the beginning of the summer and one at the end in the summer to make sure everything is going well. And you will have an orientation where you can meet your interns and mentors. And we also host 2 conferences during the summer, one in July and one in August, where you will learn about what's to come for the rest of summer and present to your fellow interns what you've completed. As well as every intern will receive a $1,000 stipend from the ACE program to cover costs associated with the internship. Why ACE? Keep in mind, your school may offer credit as part of completing your internship. It looks great on your college applications, and it opens doors for other internships and job opportunities. Many of our mentors are willing to write letters of recommendations, and I've even heard of some instances where the intern goes on to continue working in the lab during winter break or their gap year between high school and college. So what positions will be available in 2021? We will have a wide variety of positions available, and applications will open in January. When they open in January, we'll be posting the specifics. But until then, here's a sneak peek of some of our hosting mentor organizations: the Veterans Portland Healthcare System, Oregon State University in Corvallis, HP, Yakima Products, the National Weather Service, Oregon Health and Science, and we're ESCO. There are many more to come. So you might be wondering, how do I sign up? Our application window will be from January 18th to March 5th, 2021. The components of the online application is your basic contact information, a transcript from your school, 2 adult letters of recommendation, and your written cover letter. Here's a little bit more about those. Your cover letter is your chance to share information that hasn't been shared via your transcripts or recommendation. The ASE application is a great chance to put your writing skills to the test. The online application will ask you to submit a 1-page cover letter explaining why you would make a great intern in the program. In your cover letter, you will need to explain not only why you want to go into those careers, but more importantly, what soft and hard skills will make you a great fit for those careers and that internship. Different mentors will be looking for different strengths, and some may want you to have successfully taken certain classes and have a high aptitude in certain skills, experiences in the field, leadership skills, or to be a self-starter. This is all of the information that will be required from your transcript that I mentioned earlier. It will need to have your student info, the school's info, and your academic history. This is very important. And here are some tips on getting selected. We will have a March 5th deadline. That's the end of the window. It's important to write position-specific cover letters because your cover letter should round out those soft skills needed for that specific position. Edit your application, read it over, make sure there are no typos. Attend our free workshops. Be sure to check our website. We'll be posting more information about that during the application window, but we will be hosting free workshops to help you fine-tune your cover letters. And ask questions. The ACE staff is available to you via email to help you make sure your application is the best it can be. And this is where you're going to want to direct your questions to me. That's Mara, M-A-U-R-A, at SaturdayAcademy.org. And I'll be happy to help you with any questions you may have. Thanks for attending this virtual information session. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'm looking forward to receiving your application. Bye.